All right, guys, we've got the mini electric screwdriver. It's 52 in 1. It's got 52 bits. It's magnetic. There's bits on both sides in all different shapes and sizes. You've got Phillips, you've got regular, and you've got every other bit in between. I mean, it's got triangle bits, star bits. It's crazy, dude. And there's so many different sizes. You also have a tweezers on the side here, and that's magnetic as well. See, all these things just effortlessly stay a part of it. And the screwdriver itself even magnetizes to the device, so it just hangs there. So this is by Soleilwear. Okay, I'm gonna be straight up. They sent this to me, and I'm gonna even show you what it looks like packaged up. Because this thing's super cool, dude. That's how sleek it is. It's very sturdy. It's a very like hardcore design. You could keep this in your glove box. You could keep it in your toolbox. You could get a couple of these if you might use them a lot. But look at this. This thing is this is a great like Father's Day gift. This is just a great gift for guys. Like, they're gonna love it. Here's how easy it is. You pull a bit out, it magnetically just stays in there. You have an LED display or LCD display. You can either unscrew. There's a button on the bottom to unscrew. There's a button on the top to screw it in. And I just grabbed this. I have like a Game Boy device here that has some screws on the back. Found a bit that fits it. And just took that screw out. Just put it back in. Boom. So that's how easy this thing is to use. I love it. You get a USB-C charger to be able to charge it up. Just charge it on the bottom there. You're going to stay charged for a long time. Has an LED display letting you know how charged the battery is. And dude, I've got to tell you, I can't say enough good things about this. For any guy, this is a great little gift. Look at how easily that just fits in there. Boom. There you go. You're done. Bye.